In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Root app. To get started, pick up your Android phone and open your web browser. This process is done directly from your device, so make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin. Since you'll be downloading an APK file, it's especially important to be careful about where you get it from. Once your browser is open, search for the official Root app website or another trusted source. Take a moment here and make sure the site you choose is legitimate. Avoid random download pages or unfamiliar websites because APK files from untrusted sources can put your phone and personal data at risk. If possible, always use the official site first. When you found the correct page, download the app's APK file. Depending on your browser, you may see a pop-up asking you to confirm the download. Go ahead and approve it if you're sure you're on the right website. The file may take a few moments to finish downloading depending on your connection speed. After the download starts, your phone may prompt you to allow your browser to install unknown apps. This is a normal part of manually installing an APK on Android. If the prompt appears, enable that permission for your browser so the installation can continue. Be aware that this setting should only be used when you trust the source of the file you're installing. Next, open the downloaded APK file. You can usually do this directly from the download notification or by opening your downloads folder in your browser or file manager. Once the installer opens, tap Install to begin. Now just wait for the installation to finish. This usually only takes a short moment. When it's done, you can open the Root app right away or find it later in your app drawer like any other app installed on your phone. After opening the app, follow the on-screen instructions to check your device and see what rooting options are available. Read each screen carefully so you understand what the app is doing and what choices you're being given. One very important note before you continue: rooting an Android phone can void your warranty, create security risks, or even cause your device to stop working properly if something goes wrong. Before using any rooting tool, back up your important files and only proceed if you fully understand the risks. And of course, only download rooting tools from a source you trust. That's how to download Root app on Android.